And they have ever solved a Leetcode 79 word search. Basically, no mama say matrix be say, right? N by N matrix. And no mama say my word be say be A B C C D E. Inti no say and checking say sa word way it was a matrix way more, right? Inti basically yan hwehwe. Inti yan find some my word way. Right, like let me draw a graph on it. And draw a graph on it. You can see it to my replicate here. One. Here A B C E S F C S here A D E E, right? Into no so person when we have start to ask no I should say we are right no I say we will ma bioma after the acquire see wa no acquire no see ni hanum saying no asan back, right? No akọ down ha say we try see wa ha say ukwa ma e wa ha say bituma akọ enti no basically so problem bi akọ say wo hwehwe kwan right ukwa na ko si baby na anye yi a no asan ba wachi no asan akọ hwehwe bia eno no algorithm I dey solve sa problem you find backtracking, right? In the environment senka we start if you say right we start if you say no akọ say I fancy E wa say nti start if you say okwa no ma D nti enye D nti no asan ba wachi, right? Enye D nti no asan ba wachi D ni nti no asan ba wachi, right? And even for start if you fancy we start A and fancy E no aba from ha say enye S nti, right? But A could be okay B or right or bad form say enye F near and also right now I sound call back you okay we are C correct, right? Now sign call if you see now so sign call has here and you're correct into no or sample back to review now if you sample form say right to your form a true in the other side to us, but Obano so maybe I know because when they mention I say no matter had that because Baba had it and right. It's maybe do has it, yeah, means I shall have a man into your call. No, I shall say, or shall know and true, obey to Marco has since Waka contribute and yet true, right? Into no, or say, okay, make off or form a true, right? E also be to Massa Castle, I shall say. Or shall say and yet true, right? No son shall say. No quasi, right? Into your quasi goes in a video. A quine our fast mean I wash. Or do baby or chef from no share or chef from wash left wash right and san wako or from wash left wash right. Inti basically sa we na wo ye na wo hwehwehwe ni na ye e friend no back tracking algorithm, right? Inti if you don't know anything about backtracking, it's read a little bit about backtracking. I'm sure I made a video about backtracking, but she see idea me a video here, right? But okay, a little bit about backtracking, it will give you an idea of how backtracking really works. You know, but another thing so very is before you be use backtracking, I think say it would be better say. So what start if you baby na say you don't even have to and say what starting pose all the backtracking ever right? And once what start if you as in a why do you even have to start? And who here? Right? And who here so best started? You know, or start to any year and who here so best started, right? Until first no before I started backtracking no career and so say Bibi I will start if you know it is matching with the first letter of word in our watershed, right? Until yanko share to me, I will, right? You the way I be to my solve question. First way I say if not, say matrix, right? And I say border, right? Or if not, you just return false, right? So the end matrix right there, right? Into right. Into the next thing is say you set rows and columns, right? Into final rows is equal to length of board. Columns is equal to length of board 0. Right, into for row in rows now. In range rows. And for call in range columns now. Right? We are making first and if board row call is equal to the first letter of word now, then you use backtracking, right? If backtracking row call and I index and IDX return true because your own word now. So yes idea is return false because that's not true, right? And see backtracking here the and one way in the main solution, but I was here defining backtracking, right? And see my name define backtracking see you take row index and a column index, right? So for def backtracking row call index, right? If index a equal to length of words where word back up any return true. Okay, key thing because who we are your kind index and who we are your kind index into at some point in the index length no a equal to word index not just a true, right? Into as the first thing we want to do, right? And I secondly so see making sure say rows row a between the borders, right? If a number be a course number form course row if as we jana course row over form call left or right, it should be between the boundaries of this matrix, right? In the very key important thing. So if not, I'm going to say 0. Into for every rows, it has to be between 0 and the length of the rows, right? And 0 is AL less than or equal to call or the length of columns, right? And now say if cell na and equal to word na na just return false, right? And yes, as is here, as am I, right? The next thing you have to say to see right? You check it is within the bounds, right? And as a word na you word index 3 index 3 no C na say index 3 no akwakoye E a false, right? Now see the aba be hwehwe say obekọ left obekọ right obekọ soro obeba form eno na aba be ye wa say, right? Nti no cell bi ebe fa bi an ebe store no e wo temp location, right? Nti find say temp equal to BORD row and columns and call, right? At the same time, so you insert board row column X, right? Into for dx dy in we never just a stroke number phone, right? So adjacent row will be equal to row plus dx and adjacent column call plus dy. Okay, so way right? And then I just say oko form over form oko form the number no the 1 can we the minus 1 can we 1, right? The plus 1 can we over form, right? Into no determine direction I'll be into way a coordinates for direction movement, no? Plus or minus 1 will determine the direction in which it's going, right? Into your new coordinate now, you assign perform it backtrack on it. And sign the way now you see any bit the 1 ever come. Okay. Yeah, return it true. Right, because in your first one be increasing the second one, right? Near third one, fourth one. The same way. If you are near move you replace the array, no change near the share on, right? So board row call is not equal to temp and return a false if right? So basically, this is the backtracking algorithm now I will have seen. Right. Backtracking algorithm and one any definition way into a fat row column now. So row column A is equal to the beginning of word now yeah started backtracking. Now see the length of word now right? Yeah, return it true, which means a word no. Okay, so if me see BI there, I think it should be alright. Okay, so we messy way what I say because a range in case I the calls what I say hopefully into row backtracking row column index is not defined. Oh yeah, so index will start from 0 at that point. The backtrack. So what am I? Backtrack is not defined. It's my spell it backtrack. Oh, make sure backtracking. Yeah, backtrack. It's backtracking. Backtrack. Okay. In a raw time. Alright. Into no say and here solve away word search. Right? Some few coding mistakes you know, but you're fixing a solution. Hopefully you understand it. Let me know. So what questions we are put in the chat. Thank you for watching. Like I say,